Hello everyone, craving Nigerian shawarma, you have to start with the pita bread or the shawarma bread, and you want it fresh. So in this video, I'll be making fresh shawarma bread at home, one with less sugar and one with more sugar. This particular shawarma bread has more sugar and also it is smaller in size, while this one I'm going to demonstrate with has less sugar and it is bigger in size. To sifted flour, I'm going to add baking powder and salt. Add some sugar. Add the margarine or butter if you are using butter. Mix it till it becomes fine. It's well combined now. Add water to it, to the well that I've made. Mixing with a spatula. Later, I mixed it with my hands. Lightly dust the surface you want to use with flour, and I'm going to knead it for a few strokes, not too much. On kneading it, so I'm going to cut it into 4 because it's a big size. For the smaller one, I cut it into 8 pieces. I'm going to roll each piece into a ball as I am doing here. Rolling it will be the next thing to do, and I'll be rolling it as thinly as possible without breaking it. If the board becomes sticky, add more flour to it. And I'm trying to make it circular like this. So this is all done. Now for the shaping, you can take any container that you like and shape it in, just like meat pie. You can cut it like you would cut Nigerian meat pie. Using a smaller rolling pin to fill in all the edges so that I have a uniform bread. You can skip this process. Definitely, if you are cutting it with a bowl or something, just go right ahead and use it. But this creates uniformity for me. When I'm done with it, trim off the edges, and this is what we got. Over this again, starting with the ball, roll as thinly as possible. One thing about this thing is it gets better as you do it. The next one is always better than the one you did before. Form into a shape, roll it. The second one, very easy to do. So I'm going to trim off the edges and then voila, and that's done. Isn't this perfect? Has the shape of the holes, but it doesn't matter. It's all good. From the dough, I got 4 plus 1 small one from the trimming. I've got a non-stick frying pan on the stove because I don't have a griddle. It is hot, so I'm going to put in the dough. Bread is getting done when there are bubbles on it. See the bubble? This is the first one. And then for the first bread that you make, it might not be, the temperature might not be hot, so hot. More bubbles. When you have seen enough bubbles, flip it to the other side so the other side gets brown too. As I said earlier, the first one might not be the perfect ones, but the second side is rising again, so it's done. For the second one, the heat is stable now and it will do perfectly than it did the first time. And then I was sort of spreading the edges so the edges are flat. Bubbles are better and faster now. Change it to the other side and let the other side cook too. Having tiny bubbles too. Bring it to the other side. Oops, it's hot. This is done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Next time, we'll be making the most tastiest chicken shawarma you can make. So, bye.